Split function, as we can see, can be used to split a given string by using a separator, which can be a comma or a full stop or a new line. Right here, if we can see, this particular data we have right now in a variable have a separator as new line. So new line is a new separator here. Whenever we use, say because this is available with us right now in a variable called new string. Suppose dot split of new line, which can be represented as VBLF, will give us an array of data, and this will come as a first array element, which is this, comma this, comma this, and so on. So as per our requirement, we need this. So this is available at an index 0, right? And this as 1, this is at 2. So for this to happen, what we have to do is, because we are assuming that this whole thing is available, okay, is a result of this particular thing. So what we have to do is this whole thing, okay, dot split of VBLF of 0 will give us the result set, which is QA analyst. This is what is actually expected. We do the same thing for all of these things wherever we are trying to extract the field details. Let's quickly implement it using UiPath.